Indian Forces personnel launched massive cordon and search operations in various areas of the South Kashmir's Shopian district. The operations were jointly launched by the Indian Army, Central Reserve Police Force and the Indian Police in Manihal, Alura and DK Pura areas of the district. The Indian Police claimed to have arrested at least one youth. Posters have appeared in different areas of the occupied Kashmir reading that India cannot break the will of Shabir Ahmed Shah and other APHC leaders by putting them behind the bars. The posters were pasted by the APHC and different other groups in Srinagar, Baramulla, Pulwama, Ganderbal and other areas of the occupied territory. Senior APHC leader Shabir Ahmed Shah is currently lodged in New Delhi's Tihar jail. All parties Hurriyat Conference leaders have said that the naked aggression of India and Israel on the Kashmiris and Palestinians have endangered the peace and stability of the world at large, due to which humanity is going through endless sufferings and uncertainty, particularly in occupied Kashmir and Palestine. The APHC spokesman and other Hurriyat leaders in their statements in Srinagar denounced in strong terms the brutal Israeli aggression against the innocent Palestinians. An Indian army man was found dead under mysterious circumstances inside a camp in the Rajouri district. Indian Army soldier Ridham Sharma has been found dead inside a camp of the district. District Magistrate Poonch Yasin M. Chaudhary has ordered a magisterial inquiry into the death of a youth in the police custody in the Poonch district. The youth, identified as Ulfat Hussain, was killed in the police custody. However, the police claimed that the youth committed suicide in Surankot police station lockup.